Hey there, demons. It's me, your boy.
Galaxy S3. Yep, we're going to turn this into a Steam Deck. Yes. And we're going to use this banana-shaped battery that definitely isn't going to cause a fire or anything. Remember when you can take your battery out, kids? I remember. Today. Ugh, Boost Mobile. All right, now, fun part is getting SteamOS installed. Plug a keyboard in. Now that we have it installed, after all that hackery, let's plug it into the wall because otherwise it's going to die. Now, once I push the Steam button, we should be able to open SteamOS. Ready? Et voila. I've already connected the controller via Bluetooth, and yeah, here we go. Are you playing Rocket League on your Galaxy S5? I didn't think so. Controller's just plugged into the wall, by the way, just for power. Hell yeah. Let's go. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial on Steam. Yes.